may be known as God's own country, but even God's own country does not run without oil. What's heaven to a repairman? A broken AC. What's heaven to me? Oil. But striking oil isn't as easy a task as you may think, my friends. Here's how it goes.
Petroleum is found in sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are found in the sedimentary basin. Now, the sedimentary basin is a sequence of layers of soil formed over a million years. Now, let's say 100 million years ago, a huge natural disaster occurred, killing almost every living being, including my little friend over here.
So now I will tell you about the formation of the source rock. Once the plants and animals have died, they collect into a sort of a pit. Through time, more and more layers of this soil are collected over the pit because of soil erosion and sedimentation. This layer exerts more pressure on the soil and therefore a bulge kind of structure is formed, which then extends to about a few kilometers into the earth's crust. A lot of pressure is exerted on the debris below from the soil above in this bulge. This debris, hence because of the extreme pressure and temperature conditions, is converted to shale oil.
This animation shows the process of sedimentary basin formation. We see the remains of dead organisms settling on the ocean floor. Over the years, layers and layers of sediment settle. Thus compressing the lower layers.
Oh, sorry. So, as I told you before, petroleum is found in sedimentary rocks. An example of such a sedimentary rock is sandstone.
In time, a number of such layers kept on increasing, thus increasing the pressure and temperature on the remains of these dead organisms, which converted the cryogen into shale oil.
So now Rishabh and I will demonstrate how we convert organic material, my hand, into oil.
So this is the first layer of sediments.
Okay. Nothing
Second
much.
layer. The third layer. That is about 1 year later. The fifth layer. The sixth layer.
It's getting a little heavy now.
So can't you take it anymore with her?
Please, I'm an engineering student. I'm used to this.
Sure you are.
Stop.
So that's about 1000 years maybe. So how is that?
Okay, I think it is oil now. Take it off. Oil. Thank you.
Thank you.
Once the cryogen fully matures into shale oil migrates from the source rock to a rock above it, known as the reservoir rock. Let's check that out here.
Here we see the migration of crude from the source rock to the reservoir rock. Where it divides itself into layers. Once the hydrocarbon travels from the source rock to the reservoir rock, it divides into three parts. The gas, being the lightest, comes on top, followed by the crude and then the water. There have been many techniques devised to get out this gas and petroleum, two being the most profound, vertical and horizontal. Vertical drilling includes putting the drill pipe from on top. Therefore, the gas comes out first, followed by the crude, and then the water. But a newer technique has been developed known as the horizontal drilling technique, through which we hit the crude first and then the rest of the mixture.
Installation of pipeline using the horizontal drill technology is done using two steps. Step 1. Pilot bore is made from the entry to the exit point. steering the drill head along the drill path. Step 2. Pilot bore is enlarged in diameter using a constantly rotating back milling tool. Step 3. Finally, the product pipe is pulled in. A swivel between the back limber and the ensuing product pipe is installed in order to prevent the rotation of the product pipe. The drill string is pulled back rod by rod until the product pipe exits the exit hole.
So now, once your hydrocarbon is in the reservoir rock, it needs to be held down. It is held down by an impermeable rock membrane called the trap. Now, as I told you before, petroleum is found in sedimentary rocks. The entire northern plain of India is mostly comprised of sedimentary rocks. Yet, we do not find any petroleum there. And that is because we have no trap. So, to finally sum up,